Hello, friends. Today, we're exploring some incredible new kitchen gadgets that will transform your cooking experience. From time-saving tools to clever innovations, these gadgets are a must-have for any foodie. Watch as we test them out and share tips for making the most of your kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more kitchen inspiration. So friends, let's start the video. OXO Good Grips Bench Scraper and Chopper. The OXO Good Grips Bench Scraper and Chopper is a versatile tool designed to simplify kitchen tasks. Crafted with a durable stainless steel blade, it easily chops, slices, and scrapes dough, vegetables, and more. The broad, beveled edge makes scooping and transferring ingredients quick and efficient. Its comfortable, non-slip handle ensures a secure grip, even with wet hands. Measurement markings etched into the blade provide precision for portioning and cutting dough. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to handle and store. The sturdy construction ensures long-lasting performance for everyday use. Dishwasher safe, it's simple to clean, saving you time in the kitchen. Ideal for baking, cooking, and meal prep, this bench scraper adds versatility to your tools. Elevate your efficiency with the OXO Good Grips Bench Scraper and Chopper. Amazon Basics Glass Carafe Electric Hot Water Kettle. The Amazon Basics Glass Carafe Electric Hot Water Kettle combines style and functionality for your kitchen. With a 1.7-liter capacity, it quickly heats water for tea, coffee, or cooking needs. The durable borosilicate glass body offers a clear view of the boiling process, while the blue LED indicator adds a modern touch. Featuring a 1,500-watt power base, it ensures rapid boiling in minutes. The cordless design and 360-degree swivel base provide easy handling and pouring. Safety features include auto shutoff and boil-dry protection for peace of mind. A removable filter ensures clean water every time. Compact and lightweight, it fits seamlessly in any kitchen space. Ideal for home or office use. Make every cup effortless with this dependable hot water kettle. Gramercy Adjustable Mandolin Food Slicer. The Gramercy Adjustable Mandolin Food Slicer is a must-have kitchen tool for fast and precise slicing. Featuring an adjustable blade, it allows you to create perfect slices in various thicknesses, from paper-thin to thick cuts. Made with durable stainless steel, it's built to handle fruits, vegetables, and more with ease. The non-slip base and ergonomic handle ensure safe and stable operation during use. A built-in handguard protects your fingers while slicing, offering added safety. Compact and easy to store, it's perfect for any kitchen size. The slicer is easy to clean and dishwasher safe, making maintenance hassle-free. Ideal for salads, chips, or meal prep, it delivers professional quality results. Its sharp blade and versatile design save time and effort in the kitchen. Upgrade your food preparation with the Gramercy Adjustable Mandolin Food Slicer. eTech City Food Kitchen Scale. The eTech City Food Kitchen Scale is a reliable and precise tool for all your cooking and baking needs. With a high-precision sensor, it provides accurate measurements up to 11 pounds, 5 kilograms, ensuring perfect portions every time. The sleek stainless steel design is both durable and easy to clean, blending seamlessly with any kitchen decor. Its multifunctional LCD display shows weight in grams, ounces, pounds, or milliliters, making it versatile for various recipes. The tare function allows you to subtract the container's weight for precise ingredient measurements. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to store and portable for on-the-go use. The scale features auto-off to conserve battery life and includes low battery and overload indicators. Ideal for meal prepping, dieting, or baking, it simplifies kitchen tasks with convenience and accuracy. Powered by included batteries, it's ready to use right out of the box. Upgrade your culinary precision with the eTechSeti Food Kitchen Scale. Aroma Housewares Aroma 6-Cup Rice Cooker. The Aroma Housewares 6-Cup Cooked 1.5 Q2 One-Touch Rice Cooker is your perfect kitchen companion for hassle-free cooking. It prepares up to 6 cups of fluffy, perfectly cooked rice with just a single button press. This compact cooker features a one-touch operation, making it simple and convenient to use. The non-stick inner pot ensures easy cleanup and even cooking every time. It automatically switches to keep warm mode after cooking, keeping your rice ready to serve. The lightweight design is perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or travel. Use it for rice, soups, stews, or oatmeal. Comes with a measuring cup and serving spatula, ideal for singles, couples, or small families. Upgrade your meals effortlessly with this reliable rice cooker.